through the J. Morrison Academy and all the things we do is quite frankly unbelievable. I'm the national spokesman for the 1,000 Men March. I'm just excited. I'm glad you all showed up and showed out. The 1,000 Men March is about men standing up and taking responsibility, reclaiming our community. You know what? We gotta do something different. 1,000 Men March is about like-minded black men, African men in America, stepping up to the plate saying, all right, we got a lot of work to do, but we got this. Like, let's link up. This is what I'm good at, this is what you're good at, this is what you're good at. Let's link up and let's figure this out, because if we don't figure it out for ourselves, it will never get figured out. Black people gotta unite, yo. Whoever said it, raise their hand. Whoever said we gotta unite, Herschel said we gotta unite. So what's unity look like? You can't say we gotta unite, but there's no unity action plan. You just talking. Malcolm X said it best. We have to put our differences in the closet and focus on the things that unite us so we can do some unified work. Us educating ourselves and taking our destiny to our own hands is not even that expensive. What this cost me? What this cost us? We talked about our R, you gotta relate. If you don't know that you could use your Section 8 vouchers to buy a home instead of just paying rent, if you don't know you could buy a 1 to 4 family house with a 3.5% down payment, meaning $3,500 down on a $100,000 house, if you don't know that you could buy apartment buildings with no cash or credit through deal syndication, if you don't know that you can have a real estate fund or a development company or start your own business, or that you can fund your business with a 680 credit score, get up to $250,000 of funding in as little as 3 days without showing any tax returns, any bank statements, any W-2s, or any employment history. But if you don't know it, how can you execute it? E. You gotta educate. If you want to be great, you want to be legendary, you want to have a legacy, you gotta do some legendary-ish. P. We have to participate.
1,000 strong.
When have we all put dollars into a pot and all reap dollars out of the pot?
1,000 strong.
Airplanes, bus lines, movie theaters, insurance companies, real estate companies, banks, churches, tailors, salons, barbershops, all black owned. If we're really gonna do that, it's gonna take more than hashtags and tweets. We are in talks with the owners of this property, this parking lot, that property, this property, that property, that parking lot. P, protect. We're gonna learn from history. June 1st, anyone that invests on June 1st, that 24-hour period, will be an honorary Tulsa Real Estate Fund founder. Meaning your name will go on our website, and whatever our first project is, your name will be etched in the bricks or on a plaque as a founder. So whoever invests, we doing this together. It's not about J. Morrison making it. It's how many can I take with me? And how we can do this together. Tulsa. It's TulsaRealEstateFund.com. You can start your free investors account today. Let's buy back the block, yo.